Okay, 2 minutes. Yeah, go.
Okay, yeah, Sika Tokurom. Now, say last week, yeah, Jimmy and Sports Arena because now the legend that Lumba da fam. Ya me fan the currency.
Yeah.
Unim say last week picks ni na fire.
Oh, yamba no.
Picks ni na to say gringo kwa.
Oh, Charlie.
Enti no, bro ya dey say ye di ahwefo. E say mo mo bibi mo manage nti ya boaba 15 odds e dey aba. The first pick Newcastle New Chelsea, ya call both teams to score. There's a two teams in your be able to go. Man City West Ham, ya call home team 2 up.
Okay.
City share 1 2 na atake na uko wenim. Bournemouth Burnley, ya call home team 2 up. Bournemouth for take Man United. Burnley hard you obe go, but you expect say Bournemouth obe take 2-goal lead and eventually obe win. Everton and Arsenal, ya call away win or draw. Away win or draw. Double chance for Arsenal. Then Tottenham Liverpool, both teams to score. Teams you need will be able to go. Wolves Brentford, and also both teams to score. Now Real Madrid Sevilla, you call home team 2 up.
Wow, 15 odds.
15 odds.
Go.
Or the 100 to a chair, 1,005.
Cool.
Or the 10,000 to a chair times 15. You are getting 15,000.
10,000. The 10,000 what was? Hey.
I can't leave him.
Who says you can afford to lose in this? Put it to
Obo at 10,000 no and yes
no. Could you be doing more good and balance the old to
man? It's no ya bet way. Okay. Code number BW2AEF2CED.
Bobby
BW2AEF2CED.
Beautiful.
15 odds.
15 odds. Wow. Fantastic. Thank you so much. And now I need to quickly be sorry. Thank you, Vape Dean.
S Power.
Yeah, Dean Power. And of course, what do you say, Anthony Joshua, where they say about to be?
No way.
And so the Lagos Sports Stadium about to say, oh, yes, Legacy Rice. Okay, you may hear about. But the show National Theatre at 5 p.m. Of 7 national nationals here. My share Adom TV 9 lessons and Carol. Otuo, thank you. James Esiama, Pablo Ama, thank you. Richard, thank you. Priscilla, thank you. Bidin, at the Kedwana Kasa, Eric, I see you next week. Nyamia Domna, don't be doing the last show of the year. Don't miss it. 10:30. Bye bye.